Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. Breaking news, $9 billion cloud deal from the Pentagon towards Google, Oracle, Amazon, and Microsoft. This is huge, guys. This is huge. One of the four companies receiving cloud computing contracts from the Pentagon, all of them have received requests for bids from the US federal agency last year. Now guys, if you don't know what this means, we're going to go over it. You know, why they're getting this money, what's going on, and what can we learn from this. Let's start right here. The Pentagon said Wednesday that Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Oracle received a cloud computing contract that can reach as high as $9 billion total through 2028. Now this is huge. Why are they doing this? It's for the JWCC, the outcome of the Joint Warfighting Cloud Capability, or the JWCC effort, is in line with the U.S. Defense Department effort to rely on multiple providers of remotely operated infrastructure technology as opposed to relying on a single company as strategy promoted during the Trump administration. Wow. Okay, what can we learn from this, guys? I don't know, in IT, cloud is booming. Although this is for, you know, the U.S. Defense Department side, what can we learn of this as, you know, IT professionals, aspiring IT professionals trying to get into IT or looking to further our career in IT? It shows you that the cloud is booming. The cloud is booming, and the Pentagon is dumping billions of dollars into the cloud across four providers. For what? Redundancy. All right. Let's go right here. Let's talk more about this JWCC. All right. Now, let's talk about this. These four, so let me scroll up real quick. Give you the title, Joint Warfighting Cloud Capability Award planned for December. All right, guys, we're in the month of December. This is it. The JWCC is a groundbreaking procurement, Sherman said, and it involves some of the biggest technology firms in the United States: Google, Oracle, Microsoft, and Amazon Web Services. These four hyperscale cloud service providers are working with DoD specialists to produce a multi-cloud effort that will provide enterprise cloud capabilities for the Defense Department at all three security classifications: unclassified, secret, and top secret, all the way from the continental United States out to the tactical edge. Woo! Dude, this is crazy. So this deal is gonna, again, boost the DoD fighting power. All right, they're using cloud technology for fighting power. Guys, this is where we're at right now. This is where we're at with technology and IT. All right, don't let anybody say, oh, IT's falling off, IT's lame, put the computer down. They don't know what they're talking about. If the Pentagon's dumping billions of dollars into cloud, guys, what do you think you're gonna be? Shout out to all the cloud engineers or aspiring cloud engineers. What do you think you're gonna be making if you hit that field? You know, just from a currency perspective, money, a lot of money. So, and look, don't believe me, look at these cloud salaries. They're out the roof. Because why? It's a niche skill. A lot of people don't know how to do cloud. And I want to show you guys something real quick. I don't know if you guys are familiar. Shout out to GPS. She created this Learn to Cloud guide, which is something very detailed. She gives you a 6-month guide to the fundamentals of cloud computing. All right. Now, and it gives you the whole list starting from zero. And this, I advise you guys to look this up on your own if you want to get into the cloud. And it's going to be difficult because there's a lot that goes into the cloud. It's just not getting your AWS CC. Okay, I'm a cloud part. No, it's more than that. Linux, networking, programming, cloud computing, DevOps. All right, we're just in phase 0. All right, and she goes in and in. So very, very good resource. I highly recommend you guys check it out. Look how verbose this is, and look how she breaks it down. She gives you links and everything. Guys, look at this, man. Check it out if you really want to get into the cloud. Get some cloud certs, pretty popular one. And guys, there's multiple vendors. You got Azure, AWS, Google. So you got 3 cloud vendors. That's how big the cloud is. All right, and AWS is the top one, and so on and so on. So take a look at this. And security, yeah, if you guys are in cybersecurity, you can definitely transition into the cloud. All right. And I believe Phase 5 was written by Day Cyberwalk, so shout out to him. All right, so let's go back to this Pentagon bill. Okay, so we got the purpose. Okay, we breaking news. We heard what's going on. It's for the JWCC. All right. Again, what can we learn from this, guys? If you want to get into the cloud, if you want to get into IT, now's a good time. There's never been a greatest time than now to get into IT, build your skills, because the future is IT, and we're going to talk about that towards the end of the video with ChatGPT. All right, how sophisticated that's getting and how InfoSec is fighting against it. We're going to talk about that. All right, let's see. And yeah, Pentagon. So I think we're done with that part. Let me go to this article right here. Again, tech giants split $9 billion Pentagon cloud contract. All right, and again, it's for the JWCC. All right, so I think we're pretty much done with that, guys. If you want to get into cloud security or cloud computing, obviously follow this chart by GPS. Now let's go into the next topic about ChatGPT. All right, I'm gonna start with this Reddit post. I'm gonna start with this Reddit post first. Now, I love Cybersecurity Reddit. Love Cybersecurity Reddit. Just saw this morning. This is crazy. All right, just to give you guys tell you guys about ChatGPT, just in case you guys didn't see my previous videos. It is an OpenAI. All right, so you could chat, interact with it, ask it any question, and it will respond to you. It doesn't cite the sources so far, but it's free. You can sign up. It's blah blah blah. Now, this is a crazy thing that's going on, and especially in Cybersecurity Reddit. Look at this. ChatGPT is being hooked up to Reddit accounts. All right, so now we're getting auto-generated AI comments in the subreddit. So you don't know if that's an actual human or not. All right, and you don't know where he's sourcing that information from. So look what Cybersecurity Reddit Discord is doing. We intend to set the gold standard in removing ChatGPT and other artificial comments from Cybersecurity Reddit and cybersecurity help. Guys, they're fighting back. Now, it's going to be hard to fight back against ChatGPT. It's an AI, but it has, oh my God. If you guys never seen it, again, watch that video. The responses are very detailed, almost human-like. So it's going to take a lot of, professionals, some people to, okay, is this a bot or not? How can I tell? Okay, he's using a lot of nouns. Okay, we don't use this slang. Guys, this is crazy. So you have Cybersecurity Reddit fighting against ChatGPT. Not only for artificial comments, but check this out real quick. Let's read this. Let me scroll all the way up. ChatGPT shows promise of using AI to write malware. Uh-oh. This is from the Cyber Scoop. All right. What do you mean? It could write malware? Let's see. For even the most skilled hackers, it can take at least an hour to write a script to exploit software vulnerabilities and infiltrate their targets. Soon, a machine may be able to do it in mere seconds. Guys, this is crazy. Check it out. OpenAI last week released its ChatGPT tool. All right, and we already explained that, so we're going to go down. We're going to go all the way down. And look, you got Twitter users showing that it could exploit a buffer overflow. Guys, this is serious. This is very serious. Now, it's not perfect in writing code and illustrates many of the shortcomings in relying on AI tools to write codes. But this thing's gonna grow. ChatGPT, it just launched a week ago. It's already gained traction. It's gonna grow. It's gonna become more sophisticated. It's gonna get more powerful to the point where it will be writing sophisticated malware. All right. Look at this. If not ChatGPT, then a model in the next couple years will be able to write code for real world software vulnerabilities. Guys, this is not a game. If you guys don't know, check this out. Since OpenAI releases ChatGPT, has astounded users writing short college essays, cover letters, admission essays, and a weirdly passable Seinfeld scene in which Jerry needs to learn the bubble sort algorithm. So it can already write college essays. Guys, you got an AI writing college level paper. All right, don't let it cross your mind that this thing cannot write malware or do anything crazy. All right, so guys, keep in mind keep in mind. Look, from a cybersecurity perspective, the risks posed by LLMs are double-edged. On one hand, these models can produce malicious code. On the other, they are prone to error and risk inserting vulnerable code. OpenAI appears aware of both sides of this risk. Alright, so we got to be prepared what's going on. And we already read from that previous thread about cybersecurity, they're getting rid of it in the cyber Reddit chats. They're getting rid of ChatGPT. Guys, this is crazy. We gotta really watch out. We gotta be aware of these things, and so on and so on. Alright? Look at this. OpenAI did not respond to questions about how it is addressing cybersecurity concerns with ChatGPT. They're not saying a word. They know what's going on, man. They know what's going on. Know what Altman had in mind regarding the future cybersecurity risks posed by AI. This is not a game. This is not a game. Don't get me wrong. I have fun with the ChatGPT tool. Very cool tool and stuff like that. But you guys got to be aware of how this could involve and how hackers could exploit it. Think about it. We just came from what, the $9 billion cloud deal? The cloud's booming. Cloud's going to bring much. It's going to help the DoD fight. Okay, cloud already helps with businesses. But hackers, if you saw my previous vehicle, hackers are using the cloud to fish for victims. So whatever that gets launched, whatever IT services or a new tool, although it's going to help humankind, hackers are going to exploit that and use it for their own malicious purposes. So we got to be prepared for that, man. All right. Oh gosh. So damn. Look. Oh god. Look. Okay. No, we got to go more on with this. I gotta cognizant of the risk that ChatGPT could be used to write exploits. OpenAI has put in place some guardrails around using the tool to write malware. So it put guardrails. Let's go down to the next paragraph. But these restrictions are imperfect. Huh? What do you mean imperfect? Benjamin Ten, a computer scientist at the University of Calgary, said he was able to bypass some of ChatGPT's safeguards. Oh my god, by asking the model to produce software pieces by pieces that when assembled might be put to malicious use. Guys, and this is not even malicious, she's just testing it. They're already able to bypass what ChatGPT already put in place, the guardrails. Guys, it's telling you, you've been warned. You've been warned. Alright? Now I don't want to go too long with this. You guys get the gist and everything. So be careful out there. Hackers are gonna hack. Get your cyber hygiene up and prepare for the worst. Alright guys, you guys take care. Have a good one. Peace.